Good morning, all of you. Today's lecture I am going to Nuclear Chemistry MCTI 302 Unit 1st Systematic of Alpha, Beta and Gamma Decay. My name is Vinaya Pawar, Assistant Professor, Yashwantrao Sawan Institute of Science, Satara, Department of Chemistry. Fermi Theory of Beta Decay. In 1930, Wolfgang Pauli postulated the existence of the neutrino to explain the continuous distribution of energy of the electrons emitted in beta decay. Only with the emission of a third particle could momentum and energy be conserved. By 1934, Enrico Fermi had developed a theory of beta decay to include the neutrino, presumed to be massless as well as chargeless, treating the beta decay as a transition that depends upon the strength of coupling between the initial and final states. Fermi developed a relation which is now referred to as Fermi's golden rule. This is Fermi's golden rule equation. Lambda IF, lambda transition probability, initial and final state. Matrix Mi, matrix element for the interaction. P, density of final state and also called as Fermi golden rule. Straightforward is concept. Fermi's golden rule say that the transition rate is proportional to the strength of the coupling between the initial and final state. Factors by the density of final state available to the system, but the nature of the interaction which led to beta decay was unknown in Fermi's time. The weak interaction. It took some 20 years to work out of detailed model which fit the observation. The nature of that model in terms of the distribution of electron momentum P is summarized in the relationship below. Then Coulombic correction and Coulombic correction equation. NP distribution of electron momentum C P square Q minus K E bracket square statistical factor derived from the density of final state available to the emitted particles. Then matrix M I F square matrix element are allo transition gives the strength of the interaction between initial and final state. And SPQ shape factor to correct the matrix element for various type of forbidden decay paths. And main factors or Fermi factorial of Z and P Fermi functions to account for the nuclear Coulomb interaction with the emitted particle. Then Fermi theory of beta decay. It is important to considering any theory of beta decay following a aspect of this theory. Formation of electron and positron. Then electron and positron are formed in the nucleus during neutron and proton ratio. Interconversion and are emitted forthwith as these particles cannot exist in the nucleus. The electron decay represented by neutron conversion proton and emitted minus beta particle and antineutrino are called as minus beta decay, where nu bar is equal to antineutrino. Next type, proton converted to neutron and emitted plus beta particle and nu are called as plus beta decay and nu is neutrino. The nucleon beta neutrino interaction. Fermi in 1934 introduced the concept of a new weak nuclear force governing the neutron, proton and electron or positron and the neutrino generated. This is also referred to as beta neutrino field theory. The constant of this force gamma is similar to the gravitational and the Coulomb constant, except gamma is very much weaker magnitude than energy E. Then gamma is equal to 10 raised to minus 16 gm cube. The distribution of E0 between EE and ED. E0 means total disintegration energy. EE means energy of beta particle or electron or positron, and ED means energy of the total available beta disintegration energy E0 related to the parallel daughter mass lost by amount needed for the certain of a pair, many distributed between the electrons and the neutrino in a very large number of possible way. And then total disintegration energy equation derivative E0 is equal to dN upon dE0 is equal to 16 pi square V square upon H6C cube bracket E0 minus EE bracket square PE square dPE. Then derivation of Fermi theory of beta decay expression. Dirac expression transition probability per unit time using time dependent perturbation momentum or perturbation quantum theory will be lie in probability of electron and derivative of probability of electron. Then equation probability of electron is equal to 2 pi h cut matrix HIF square dN upon dE0, where dN upon dE0 is energy charge number of quantum mechanical state or statistical factor or energy of beta and neutrino particle statistical factor. HIF means matrix elements. Matrix elements are psi f, h, psi I. Psi f means wave function of final state, h means Hamiltonian operator, and psi I means wave function of initial state. Psi f means daughter nuclei and beta particle and neutrino combination, and psi I means initial state and parent nuclei. First, interaction of matrix element. Matrix HIF is equal to integrating psi f star h psi I psi derivative of tau, where h means Hamiltonian operator, psi f means final state or wave function of final state, psi I means initial state and wave function of initial state, and derivative of tau means value of elements. They diagrammatically represented psi I initial state, then beta decay to form electron or beta particle, neutrino or antineutrino, and daughter nuclei. This is all terms are psi f means final state. As psi I is equal to psi I because initial state or parent nuclei as it is. Then psi f is equal to psi daughter nuclei into psi beta particle or electron or positron into psi antineutrino or neutrino. Means psi f means final product or final state. Then psi f is equal to psi d wave function of daughter nuclei, psi beta wave function of beta particle, psi nu wave function of neutrino particle. Then integrating HIF is equal to integration of psi d into psi beta into psi neutrino bracket star into H psi I f. Then matrix HIF integrating psi d star, psi beta star, psi nu star HIF equation number 3. Then since neutrino weakly interact with nucleon, it remains unchanged. And then Fermi-Dirac notation by wave function of beta particle and wave function of neutrino particle. Then equation number 4, wave function of Fermi-Dirac notation, wave function of beta particle means psi beta star is equal to 1 upon root v exponential minus I h cut p a beta x. This is the equation number 4, Fermi-Dirac notation of wave function of beta particle. Then Fermi-Dirac notation of wave function of neutrino particle means psi star nu bar is equal to 1 upon root v exponential bracket square bracket minus I upon h cut p nu x, equation number 5. This equation number 4, 5 put in equation number 3. Then equation number 3, HIF G integrating psi star d 1 upon v exponential minus I h cut p e plus p nu bracket into x m psi d tau. Here G is Fermi suggested a new constant called as Fermi coupling constant denoted by small g. By small mistake psi star f replace psi star d. Then m means since the nuclear wave function have appreciable value only, significant value of x are no greater than nuclear radius r. X means beta and neutrino particles and r means initial and parent nuclei radius. Then x are small in radius of initial state nuclei. If probability of electron or probability of beta particle, probability of electron or probability of beta particle and probability of neutrino are both magnitude by MEC, as usually the case of exponential factor of equation 2 MECR divided by h cut is equal to 150, half like. Then exponential term solve. Exponential bracket minus I h cut p e plus p nu x is equal to 1 minus I upon h cut p e plus p nu x into minus 1 upon 2 h square p e plus p nu into x bracket square into minus 1 upon 3 h cube p e plus p nu x bracket cube and etc. This is exponential factor or exponential term. So exponential minus I h cut p e plus p nu x approximately or is equal to 1. Then HIF, this square is removed. Okay, matrix HIF is equal to G Fermi constant integrating exponential factor term 1, this term, first equation this term is 1, then G integration psi star d 1 upon v m psi I star d tau, and then final equation these terms integrating terms form matrix, and final equation HIF is equal to G upon V matrix MIF, equation number 6 or internal matrix elements. Second term statistical factor. Statistical factors present in three conditions. First, volume of position. Second, volume of momentum. Third, volume of phase. At the volume of positions, then quadruple equation or axis delta x, delta y and delta z axis position in beta or neutrino particles. Volume of momentum, space. Now the volume element in momentum space between p and p plus dp. Okay, p and p plus dp. Its since will be circumference and then equation 4 pi p square dp. 4 pi p square dp. As shown in fig, number of neutrino state between number of neutrino state in this momentum 4 pi p square dp. Volume of phase space 4 pi square v dp and v consider volume, and then final equation got it dn upon d0 or derivative of distributed final energy is equal to 4 pi v p square dp h cube. Then number of beta particle state in as momentum and then equation dn beta. Dn means momentum as a momentum beta particle energy. Beta is equal to 4 pi v b pb square dpb divided by h cube. Equation number 7. And then another equation, number of neutrino state in as momentum dn nu is equal to 4 v 4 pi, not square, sorry, 4 v 4 pi p square nu dp nu by h cube. Equation number 8. Then dn is equal to, dn means the total number of states in the internal energy or distribution energy E0 will be. Then equation number 9, dn is equal to dn nu into dn beta. Put the equation 7 and 8 in equation 9. Then equation dn is equal to, put the value, equation dn is equal to 4 pi v p square beta dp beta h cube and 4 into 4 pi v p square nu dp nu h cube. And then equation dn is equal to 4 and 4 16 pi and pi square v square p square b p square nu dpb dp nu upon h3 h6. Equation number 10. Then total distribution energy E is equal to E nu plus E and then derived this equation derivative, put the derivative dn upon de0 is equal to equation number 10 16 pi square p beta square p nu square upon s6 v square dpb dp nu upon de. Equation number 11 at that distribution energy of derivation. Now probability of electron or probability of beta particle is related to energy of electron, and then equation, Einstein equation, E is equal to PEC, probability of electron at that velocity, plus mc square, and this equation square the final equation E square is equal to PE square C square plus m square C raised to 4. Then interchange this equation. EE is equal to P nu C, neutrino of the zero rest mass. P nu is equal to E0 minus EE upon C, this equation, and derivation or derivative of P nu divided by derivative of energy is equal to 1 upon C. Put this value in equation number 11. Equation number 11. Then equation dn upon d is 0, 16 pi square v square h 6 p e square e0 minus ee bracket square upon c square into dpe upon 1 upon c. 1 upon c, this value, p nu value, this value, bracket square. Equation number 12 put in equation number first. This is first equation, plus side. P is equal to 2 pi h cut matrix HIF bracket square dn upon de 0, and then equation P is equal to 2 pi h cut HIF matrix square into dn upon de 0 value 16 pi square v square upon h 6 raised to 6 pe square bracket e0 minus e bracket square c cube dp, and then solve this equation. 16 into 2 32 pi into pi square pi cube v square divided by h cut c cube h6 and matrix HIF, this equation, matrix HIF square PE square E0 minus EE bracket square dP. Then put the value matrix HIF square is equal to equation number 6 G square V square, this equation, equation number 6, okay, G square V square matrix MIF square and H cut value, this value put. H cut means Planck's constant divided by 2 pi. Then put these two values in this equation. 32 pi cube v square upon h cut value h upon 2 pi c cube h6, and again next value put matrix HIF square, this G square V square matrix MIF square, and another equation PE square in square bracket E0 minus EE bracket square dP. Then cancel this term V square by V square and 2 pi get multiply. Equation 32 into 2 64 pi into pi cube pi 4, and equation 64 pi raised to 4 c cube h raised to 7 g square matrix MIF square PE square E0 minus EE bracket square dP. Then again h is equal to dch, h is equal to 2 pi h cut, means dch cut is equal to h upon 2 pi Then change the equation. H cut 2 pi is equal to h, and this value put in this equation, means h raised to 7 is equal to 2 pi h cut raised to 7, means 2 raised to 7 into pi raised to 7 into h cut raised to 7, means 180 pi 7 h cut 7. Put this value in this equation. Then equation 64 pi raised to 4 c cube 2 pi h raised to 7 g square matrix MIF square PE square bracket E0 minus EE square dP. Then this value solve 128 pi raised to 7 h cut raised to 7 value put 64, then 2 divided by 128 value 2, pi raised to 4 cut pi raised to 7, pi raised to 7 3. Okay, then equation 1 upon 2 pi cube c cube h cut 7, and another equation g square matrix MIF square PE square E0 minus EE. Okay, and then last equation, probability of electron at the derivative electron is equal to 1 upon 2 pi cube c cube h raised to 7 g square matrix MIF square P E square E0 minus bracket square dP. Or this equation are theoretically or derived of Fermi theory of beta decay. Then Ernico-Fermi change this equation and Coulomb correction equation, and final equation will get PE is equal to 4 pi square h v square matrix MIF square g square f z E0 dn upon d0. This matrix element term, this statistical factor, and f z E means f is factor of final state and z means atomic number of daughter nuclei, and E means energy of beta particle electron and allow transition. The probability of emission of an electron of momentum pp. Fermi theory finally gives the probability of the decay with emission of the electron having a given momentum pe give the expression is pp. This equation last side you see 4 pi square h v square matrix MIF square g square f z e dn upon de 0, where g is equal to force constant or Fermi constant, matrix MIF is equal to matrix element, then initial state and final state daughter nuclei, beta particle, wave function of daughter nuclei, wave function of beta particle, and wave function of neutrino particle. F z E0 Fermi factor of final state and allow transitions. Z means atomic number of daughter nuclei, and E means energy of beta particle. Thank you.